welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will practice practical part of HTML. We will learn how to view HTML document in the web browser. For that, firstly you need to type the program in text editor. So you can use any text editor to type the program. You can use Notepad, WordPad. After writing the program, click on file option and then save as option. After that, write the name of the program whatever you want to, and then write file extension .html after the program, the name of the file. Click on save option. I have already saved this file, that's why it is showing this message. So after giving the name, after writing the name of the program, click on yes option. Your file will be saved, and then you need to minimize the window and you can see this is program1, what file I have saved with the name. It is showing on the desktop. Now double click on the file. You will see the output. This is the heading and this is body content. Let's try some changes also. So in this let's modify this program. I want to, firstly we will make changes in the background color. For that I will write pg color equals to double inverted commas red, and let's make text bold italic underline. For that I'm also applying text formatting tag italic and then underline. You need to close these tags very carefully and correctly. Only then these texts will show correct output. Slash slash slash, and then after this you need to click Ctrl plus S key so that modification will be saved. Now minimize the program, double click on this program, and you can see this is bold. Your text become bold, italic and underline, and background color changed to red. Hope you understand very well how to view the document, how to make modifications. If you have any query, you can drop your queries in the comment section. Thank you.